Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So we're gonna go through MetaTrader for today and how we are using this platform. Now I have a new broker that I am using for cryptocurrencies. I also have it for indices, forex, metal, energies. We have so many different pairs that we can trade on this platform with a really low spread. But I also know that there's a lot of people that doesn't even know how to use MetaTrader 4. It's a very simple platform as long as you're getting used to it. So this is a quick tutorial for you to be able to know exactly on how to go around inside of this platform, and it is easier than you think. So let's continue to watch this video and I'll break it down for you right now.
So what you're doing is that you are just searching for it on the App Store. So the first thing that you'll see on the platform is the front page. On the left side, you have all of the different pairs that you're choosing to trade from. Now, if you cannot find the pair that you want to trade, you're looking at the right corner and you have a plus button. So you just press it and you search for whatever you want to trade. So let's say that I want to trade USD something. We have USDC Zeta K. So I press the plus button. I go back to the front page, and what you see at the bottom of the front page now, you can see USDC Zeta K. If you want to trade this pair, you can just press trade, or you're going into the charts to see what the chart is giving you. Me personally, I never analyze the chart on this platform. I always do it from my trading view. When you're putting a trade, what you're doing is that you're just pressing the trade. And here you can choose if you want to have a market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. In the middle here, you're choosing what lot size that you want. If 1.0, 0.1, or 0.01, that's the lowest lot size that you can use on this platform. Maybe you want to 0.02, 0.03, 0.5. 9.0. I mean, I don't know what you have on your account. You choose whatever lot size that you want. And on the stop loss, you obviously put where you want to have your stop loss, and you have your take profit. And then you're choosing if you want to buy or sell the market. If you want to have a buy limit or sell limit order, or any of the below, you're just putting the price here where you want it to activate from, and you have stop loss, take profit, etc. And when we're coming to the front page, you can right now see that I have one trade open on the positions, and I put a 0.1 lot size on AUD, and at the moment I am up $14. If I am holding this one and I am looking at chart, you can also see where I did buy the market from, where I have my stop loss and where my take profit is. So this is where I do expect the market to come to. When this trade is done, I am just going to history, and on history you can right now see that I have one out USD because I had a take profit one that got hit. So this is where you'll find all of your different trades. This is the best platform that I'm trading from. So I've been using this one since I started to trade.
And if you want to start to pay your bills with cryptocurrencies, then K-App is that option. There is no other platform when it comes to cryptocurrencies that will offer you this. So for you to be able to do this, you have a link in the description down below the video for you to sign up on. You see here, buy, send, and spend euros using your K-App IBAN and transfer fund to external IBAN users. So if you want to send someone some euros and they want to receive it in euros, then there will be zero fees when it comes to this. Swap crypto for cash and vice versa. And this is amazing. I'm super happy that we are able to do this right now. So as I said, you have the link in the description down below the video for this. Please give us some feedbacks on how this is working for you. I know that it's not available in every country right now. We have it especially in the European countries, but the bigger it will become, the better it will get. So maybe you'll soon also have this in your country, but please sign up and see if it is available for you. But amazing, and this is life-changing for a lot of us. So hopefully this helped you a lot, and of course if you have any questions, ask me in the video down below the video. If you do not know how to use lot sizes, 0.01, 0.1, 1.0, whatever it is, tell me in the description down below the video, and I will create another video where I break it down for you so you have a better understanding. Until we see each other again, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications so you know when I'm live next time and when I do have my daily updates. I wish everyone a fantastic day.